It's very important to note because you do have influencer Avdut Sathe, who's likely under the radar of SEBI for unregistered advisory services. And in fact, that is the word coming in from sources to NDTV Profit. The illegal gains from the company's operations is likely to be in the range of 400 to 500 crore rupees. In fact, we have Charu, who's at one of the centers at this point in time. Here's a report.
A little over 20 kilometers away from the BKC office of Securities and Exchange Board of India lies Flying Colours Cooperative Housing Society in Mulund. And why is it important? It's important because this is where the corporate office of Avdut Sathe lies, the influencer who has been under the scrutiny of Securities and Exchange Board of India for giving unregistered trading advice. Now, this is a person who has been in the business for quite a while and has offices around the country, be it Bhubaneswar, Kochi, Kolkata, Mumbai and several other areas in the Sahyadri region. And he has a big network of teachers and traders who themselves are unregistered on the SEBI platform and are the people who used to be his own students. Now he is running this business in a way that there are several people on the premises constantly working in a very godman kind of a way, working on a very self-proclaimed God philosophy of trading, where they also have an energy wing where they focus on the resilience and the emotional stability of the traders and keeping them connected with their platform even if they face losses. Now this is a case where SEBI is looking at impounding illegal gains of over 400 to 500 crore rupees, but the search operation is still going on and it remains to be seen as to what happens. We'll keep you updated.
Well, absolutely, Charu, and we'll trust you to get us all of those details as and when they also get unraveled. But let's also